Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Teacher Jane. Today, ang pag-aaralan natin ay how to multiply the two-digit numbers fast. So, ang i-discuss sa inyo ngayon ay kung paano i-multiply ang two-digit number na meron silang parehas na tens at kapag ini-add mo yung kanilang ones ay 10. Multiplying two-digit numbers with the same tens and whose ones has a sum of 10. So, example, 37, 33. Yung pares silang 3 at 7 plus 3 is 10. So, those are examples of the same tens. Okay, example number 1, 21 times 29. To multiply this, multiply first the ones, which is 1 times 9. Is equal to 0.9. And then, think of a number that is next to 2, which is 3. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6 or 0.6. So, the answer is 609. Ganun lang kadali. Next example, 63 times 67. So, multiply first the ones. 3 times 7 is 21. And then, the number next to 6 is 7. So, 6 times 7 is 42. So, the product is 4,221. Next. Let's say we have 94 times 96. So, multiply first the ones. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. And then, the number next to 9 is 10. So, 9 times 10 is 90. So, the product is 9,024. So, again, this is true only if your tens are the same and kapag ini-add mo yung ones natin, ang total niya ay 10. So, doon lang siya pwede. Multiply two-digit numbers. So, ito ngayon walang restrictions. So, kahit i-multiply natin, kahit magkaiba yung tens, kahit yung ones natin ay hindi equal to 10 pag ini-add. So, ito yung ordinary two-digit numbers. How are we going to multiply it fast? So, paano natin i-multiply ng mabilis? Within 5 to 10 seconds, kaya natin i-multiply short method or mentally. Multiplying two-digit numbers. So, let's say we have 21 times 31. So, how are we going to multiply it mentally? So, first, we multiply the tens. 2 times 3, we got 6. And then, we provide space at the middle. to get the middle number, so we multiply first the ones. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now to get the middle number, we multiply the outer digits and then we multiply the inner digits. So 1 times 2 is 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3. And then add 3 plus 2 is 5. So that will be our inner digit. Next, let's say we have 43 times 21. So multiply first the tens digit. 4 times 2, you got 8. And then space, 3 times 1 is 3. Then multiply the outer and then the inner. So 4, 1 times 4 is 4, and then 2 times 3 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So how are we going to write it at the middle number? So we write first the 0 and then carry 1. Then 1 plus 8, we got 9. So the final answer is 903. So ganun lang kadali. Next example. Let's say we have 42 times 63. So multiply the outer, or the tens rather. So 4 times 6, we got 24. And then space, multiply the ones. 2 times 3 is 6. Now, to get the inner digit, so we multiply the outer. So, 4 times 3 is 12. And then 2 times 6 is also 12. And then add, you got 24. So, 4, carry 2. So, 24 plus 2 is 26. So, the product is 2,646. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ginawa natin ngayon at natuto kayo na mag-multiply ng 2-digit number fast. So, 5 to 10 seconds, kaya nyo nang i-multiply ang mga 2-digit numbers. Thank you for watching. Keep safe.